You woke up this morning, and while you were sleeping, someone else's money was making money, not yours, not yet. There are two kinds of income in the world: the kind that stops the moment you stop working, and the kind that doesn't. Most people only ever have the first kind. They trade hours for dollars. They show up, they get paid. They stop showing up, it stops. Every vacation is a calculation. Every sick day has a cost. Every Monday is mandatory, not because they chose it, but because without Monday, there is no Friday paycheck. This is not a criticism. This is just the first kind of income, the only kind most people are ever shown. The second kind is different. It does not require your presence. It does not stop when you stop. It runs on systems, assets, and decisions you made before today. It starts with a level. Every person who wakes up and checks their phone before getting out of bed and sees money that arrived while they slept. They pass through every level you are about to see. Find your level, then find the next one. Level 0. $0 passive income. The starting point. At level 0, every dollar you have came from something you did. You worked, you got paid. You didn't work, you didn't get paid. Your income and your time are the same thing, one-to-one. No separation. The dangerous thing about level 0 is not that it's painful, it's that it's comfortable. The paycheck comes, the bills get paid, the weekends exist. Life is functional, and functional feels fine until the day it doesn't, until the layoff, until the medical bill, until the moment you realize you are one bad month away from a problem you cannot solve by working harder because you are already working as hard as you can. Level 0 is not failure. Level 0 is the starting line. The only mistake at level 0 is thinking it's the finish line. Level 1. You opened a high-yield savings account, not a regular savings account paying 0.4%, a high-yield account paying 4.5% to 5%. Your $8,000 emergency fund, the one you built over 14 months, now earns $360 a year, $30 a month. Or you bought your first dividend stock, or your first ETF that pays quarterly dividends. A few $100s in. The first payment, $4.17. You screenshot it. You send it to nobody because nobody would understand why $4 feels like a different world. But it does. Because those $4 did not require a single hour of your time. They arrived because you made a decision 3 months ago and then left it alone. This is the proof of concept, not the money, the proof, that it is possible, that the second kind of income is real. $30 a month is not freedom, but $30 a month from something that requires 0 hours of your time is the first evidence that you are building something different. Level 2, $200 to $500 passive income per month. The first real number. You are more serious now, not obsessed, not extreme, just awake to what this can become. You increase the investment account. Automated, monthly, never touching it. You started a digital product, a template, a guide, a preset, something you built once in 40 hours on 3 weekends that now sells for $27 on a platform that handles everything. 6 sales a month, $162. Not life-changing, but it arrived while you were at work. Combined income at level 2. Dividends, $180 per month. Digital product, $162 per month. High-yield savings interest, $34 per month. Total passive income, $376 per month. Your rent is $1,100. Your passive income covers 34% of your rent. For the first time in your life, a bill is being partially paid by something other than your labor. Level 3, $500 to $1,500, passive income. You can feel it in the math before you can feel it in your life. The investment account crossed $40,000. At a 7% dividend and growth rate, that's $2,800 a year, $233 a month. From a number sitting in an account, you think about less and less as it grows more and more. The digital product has reviews now. The reviews bring more buyers. You didn't do anything new. The thing you built 6 months ago is selling because of things other people wrote about it. 2 products now, $390 per month combined. You refinanced and rented out a room. $650 a month from the spare bedroom in the house you bought 2 years ago. Combined passive income at level 3. Investments, $233 per month. Digital products, $390 per month. Room rental, $650 per month. Savings interest, $41 per month. Total, $1,314 per month. Your take-home pay from your job, $3,800 per month. Your passive income is now 34% of your salary. You are not financially free, but you are something you weren't before. You are someone whose financial life does not depend entirely on what happens at work. If next month is hard at work, $1,314 still arrives, without your presence, without your hours, without your Monday. Level 4, $1,500 to $3,000. The tipping point. Nobody talks about you are 34. Something happened that people don't warn you about. The passive income started to feel normal, not exciting anymore. At $1,314 a month passive income, growing at 15% per year through reinvestment and new additions. The projection looks like this. Year 3, $2,007 per month. Year 5, $2,643 per month. Year 7, $3,471 per month. You are in year 3, right on schedule. The rental room became a full rental unit. You bought a small condo, put 20% down, rented it immediately. Mortgage, $890 per month. Rent collected, $1,450 per month. Net after expenses and reserve, $380 per month. You hired someone to manage it. 8% of rent, $116 a month. You kept $264. You traded $116 a month for never getting a call about a broken sink at midnight. That trade was worth it. Combined passive income at level 4. Investment portfolio income, $410 per month. Digital products, $520 per month. Rental unit net, $264 per month. Room rental, $650 per month. Savings interest, $62 per month. Total, $1,906 per month. Your job pays $4,200 per month. Your passive income covers 45% of your entire life. You could take a 45% pay cut and your bills would still be paid. You do not take a 45% pay cut. Level 5, $3,000 to $6,000. The level where time changes. You are 38. The passive income crossed $3,000 a month. $4,800 a month from your job. Combined, $7,800 per month. You are spending $3,900. You are building $3,900 every single month on top of what already exists. The compounding has gone from quiet to loud. Not in your life. Your life looks mostly the same. Same house, same car, same grocery store. Loud in the math. At level 5, you start to see something that isn't visible from lower levels. Your passive income has passive income. The dividends get reinvested. The reinvested dividends buy more shares. The more shares pay more dividends. The cycle runs without you. You are not in the loop anymore. The loop runs itself. Combined passive income at level 5. Investment portfolio, $1,050 per month. Digital products, $720 per month. Rental income net, $1,140 per month. Room rental, $650 per month. Savings and bonds interest, $110 per month. New, online course income, $480 per month. Total, $4,150 per month. Your job pays $4,800 per month. The gap is $650. $650 stands between you and the moment your passive income exceeds your salary. Level 6, $6,000 to $10,000. Passive income per month. The crossover. You are 41. You checked your monthly summary on the first of the month the way you always do now. Passive income last month, $6,240. Take home from job last month, $5,100. The passive income exceeded the salary. It meant that your job, the thing you've gone to every weekday for 19 years, is now optional. Not in the sense that you're quitting tomorrow, in the sense that the money would be fine if you did. Combined passive income at level 6, investment portfolio, now $380,000, $1,900 per month. Digital products, 7 products, $940 per month. Rental income net, 4 units, $1,680 per month. Online courses, $820 per month. YouTube/content revenue, $420 per month. Licensing income, $280 per month. Savings and bonds, $200 per month. Total, $6,240 per month. The people who check their phone before getting out of bed and see money that arrived while they slept, they are not smarter than you. They are not luckier than you. They are not more talented than you. They just found their level earlier and kept going. Find yours, then find the next one.